This is the Nisim travelling toiletry bag, which is made from a very high quality material. The great thing about this toiletry bag is it has a lot of compartments, and you can also hang it. So you unzip it and you'll see there are various compartments like this one here where you can store your shampoos. And this is the hanging part here for the shower. And then there are other compartments. This one's very useful for storing perhaps shavers. And this item here actually detaches. So you could put your shampoo and conditioner in there while you shower. And then of course there's more useful items here for storage. And bigger compartments here for larger bottles.